Hey Carmen, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. We are on your website and I'm not really sure what's happening. I have tried several different browsers, and this is what I'm getting for your website. Um, there's a few links in here that aren't really taking me anywhere, or I'm getting like wide open white space. Um, Looks like some of these links go to this website, and some of them are going to another website. I'm just not sure what's going on. Um, I would love to be able to actually tell you what you need to do on your website, to be able to help you. So since I can't see what I need to see, I'm going to go over to one of your competitors and we'll discuss what's happening on their side and what you need to do on yours. This is DryMax. This is one of your top competitors in your service areas for water restoration. Let's see, they have a different page for each of their services. Um, they have some content. Testimonials are always good. And more content. Um, a little bit of keyword usage, not a whole lot. It's not a spectacular website. Um, these service areas. Okay, good. They service multiple different service areas, and so if you have multiple service areas as well, you should have a separate page for every service area um, that you work in that has any type of search volume for the services that you offer. Um, every specific service that you offer should have their own page. Google likes to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, um, which breaks down to about 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you are trying to rank for. And you need to make sure that they are local buyer intent keywords and not national, um, unless you are servicing all states. You need to keep it local. And so Google does not rank a website based on appearance. So aesthetics don't matter. But they do have little robots called crawlers that go out and index all of your pages, pulling your content and looking for those keywords. So it is really important to have your website properly optimized with the right amount of content and going after the right type of keywords. Those buyer intent keywords are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for the services that you're providing. And so that's going to be really important. And it also looks like you might possibly have a store and sell products. I'm not sure. I can't open it or access it. Um, so that SEO works a little bit different for products than it does for services. But as far as the services go, you definitely need to have the content. And in order to beat your competitors in your service areas, you need to have more content and you need to have a good keyword strategy. 70% of your leads come directly from your website. So it is very critical that your website is optimized. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website performs. Google has given you a rating of 11 for your website, and that is because of your backlinks and referring domains. You're going to need a lot more backlinks, and not all backlinks are created equal, so you need to make sure that you're getting the highly authoritative backlinks and you're getting more than your competitors. You're being indexed for over 304 keywords. It looks like majority of those are products, and the ones that you are actually ranking for on the first page of Google are products. Anything service related is 2 to 3 pages back on Google. And you're getting 116 people to your website per month, whether those are buying products or converting into projects that you're working on, I'm not sure. When we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 3.8. They only have 135 backlinks. That's a lot of backlinks for a low score like that, which says that most of their backlinks are probably no follows, spam, or completely unrelated to their industry. But you're going to need a lot more backlinks than your competitor. They're being indexed for over 130 keywords, but they're only seeing 59 people to their website. You are actually getting more traffic. But when it comes to the relevant keywords for your services, these guys come up before you do. You're a couple pages back. So you definitely want to work on that strategy. Backlinks are when one website links to another website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant that website is to the services you perform, the more authority Google's going to give you and the higher it's going to rank, especially if they are do follow backlinks, because those actually share their power. And then it's also very critical that you're linking these backlinks to the keywords you're trying to rank for so that you can be found for those services. And the last thing I want to show you is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section, because 30% of people come directly here and won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 for all of your service areas and your major keywords, you're sending your competitors all of those leads. So in order to be on the top 3, in each of those areas, there's several factors, including your website performance, but it's going to be citations. And you need a lot of citations. You need more than your competitors. And so a citation is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Dex, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And so you need a lot more of those. And when you follow all the tips that I've given you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your service areas and all of your services. You're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided and apply it yourself, which is completely okay, because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you should decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.